Hey besties, welcome back to K Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my favorite products of this year. Not all of them came out this year, but I'm just showing you my favorite products that I love to use that I'm going to recommend to y'all. First up, we have the Rare Beauty eyeliner. I just got this like probably a month ago. I don't know why I'm so late. I just already had eyeliners and I just wanted to wait. So this is probably my favorite eyeliner and the best eyeliner I have used. It's very pigmented and it's waterproof. And the brush, there's like little bristles. I don't know. That's probably why it's so good. Yeah, it's really black and shiny, but it gives more of a matte, shiny finish to me. That's what I think of it. I really recommend using this. But if you don't like waterproof, I mean, you don't have to, but this is probably the best waterproof eyeliner I have right now. Next is e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is it's a liquid eyeshadow. I got this after I got the Rim Beauty glitter liquid eyeshadow. I didn't like it. I know a lot of people didn't, and so someone on Twitter, one of my mutuals, recommended this glitter liquid eyeshadow, and it's so much better. It's so easy to work with too. It's like more like a silver copper type color. Well, to me it is. It's more like a bronzy. I can't really tell, to be honest. Okay, it's more of like, it looks like a peach type, copper type shade. And this is it's called Flirty Birdie. I recommend using this if you want a really good glitter liquid eyeshadow. It's very easy to apply. I got this a long time ago on Amazon. It's from Beauty Glazed. It's called it's Color Fusion, and here are the shades. They're like, I guess like the colors of the rainbow, basically. And it's just like one of my first palettes that had a lot of colors, because before this I had like nude type shades. I used it right here under my eye today. This shade right here I used under my eye, and then I used the Rare Beauty liquid eyeshadow on my lid. And when I'm feeling like very confident and fun, I usually go to this palette. So it's the Color Fusion Over the Rainbow Beauty Glazed palette. One more time, here are these shades. They're very, very colorful. I really recommend this. And it's cheap, and it's good quality. So yeah. Okay. I finally got the full-sized Rare Beauty primer. I had like the mini-sized one at first. Was it? Did I buy it, or was it a free sample? I think. Yeah, this is the full-size one. It's their Illuminating primer. One gives off more of a glowy finish or dewy finish, to be honest. I really like it. Sometimes I would just, after I wash my face and do all that, put on my moisturizer, I would just put this on just so like my face can just look shiny and glowy, like when I have no makeup on. So I recommend doing that with this primer, because I think they encourage, like, you don't have to wear like makeup with it. Like, you can just wear it like on its own on your face. So yeah. And like, with their foundation, because I use it with their foundation. Sometimes I like putting the foundation and the primer on the brush first and then like applying it to my face, because it gives the foundation a glow to it basically. I mean, you could use a highlighter, but I recommend doing this. Okay, the Rim Beauty Cheek and Lipstick. I just got this when Chapter 2 launched. I really love this. It's very pigmented. It's very easy to apply. I don't really have to use a brush. Sometimes I just get my 2 fingers and pat it on my face. And I like using it. It's more, it says lipstick, but it feels like the Rare Beauty's Dewy Lip Balm. It's more creamy type texture. So, and it's kind of genius because it's used for your lips and your cheek. Probably your eyes. I don't know. But you can try that. Kind of ruined it. So it's like not looking pretty at all right now. So yeah. It's like a little astronaut. I love the packaging. So this is what it looks like. I think I showed y'all this in my last video, my Rim Beauty video, so y'all can go check that out. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you like and subscribe. I'll have the link to my other videos down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.